Hard reset of Lava B1. So now you see the model number Lava B1. How to hard reset? This video is useful to remove pattern lock and locks and reset of phone without box. So I show the video how to hard reset on Lava B1. First of all, you put the battery on the mobile. So press power button. After that, volume down button by differentiation of 1 second. So press power button, volume button. So this image is appeared. So now you press volume up button. You can easily down reset by using the volume down key. So press data wipe by volume power button. So I show that power button. So you can down and select delete all user data. So press power button. So you can easily reboot through the power button. So hard reset successfully completed. Press menu button. Watching for this video. Thank you very much.